Here, I go through the saddle, back around the string, and then over and around twice. Make sure you go around 2 times. This is very important. Let's do that again up close so you can see it better. Here I go through the rollers, and then go around the string 2 times here as well. Also, I try to pull it all the way through and pull it fairly tight. For classical guitars, the less string you have on the rollers the better. Nylon strings tend to stretch out for a long time. Let's finish up the bass string side. Same thing here, through the bridge and around the string twice. Look at that. Doesn't that just look beautiful? Cut off the extras.